In this video, I like to explain how to use version 0.1.1 for WeatherTo blockchain via Chainlink Oracle application. In terms of related code, if you click this GitHub icon, you can get some related code. So if you are interested in more, please check it later. The difference between the previous version and the newest version is I used the Open Weather API, which is here. This is provided by Open Weather. Then you can use this API for free account, but in terms of free account, you have some limited usage. So if you are interested in that, please check this website more. And then I use the Fuji Testnet network, which is a testnet of Avalanche network instead of Sepolia test network, because from my experience, I think the cost of transaction is cheaper compared with this Sepolia test network. So in this version, I try to use Fuji test network. And in terms of references, I added the Open Weather API. Okay, let's move to the application. Please click this button and you can open the application itself. So as I said, I use the test network of Fuji. So please connect the Fuji test network via MetaMask. Now I connect the Fuji test network, so it's open here. So let me introduce how to use that. Anyway, okay, so for example here, please click. Then you can get the latitude and longitude. Actually, this is from Open Weather API. Then please click the submit button. Then confirm the transaction. Yes, it's calculating, so it will be about 30 seconds. So I will stop here and restart again. Okay, about 30 seconds has passed. Then I could get the information using a Chainlink and Open Weather API. So please check this latitude is same as the latitude which I clicked, and longitude is also the same as the selected longitude, and temperature is 29.89 degrees Celsius, and the description is the description for the weather from the Open Weather API. It's covercast clouds. Then this this hash value is from the transaction, which is a contract address from to and transaction hash and the request ID. Actually, this request ID is important for using Chainlink Oracle functions. So let me copy here. Then let's go to the view on show trace. We could move the show trace, and when you click this events, and let me search the value which I copied just now. So you can see the same request value on that. Then please check the response, which is the response from the contract. Then let's change the text value. So here, as you can see, latitude is 5.1846, longitude is minus 65.856. Descriptions overcast clouds, and temperature is 29.89, which is the same as I could get from the Open Weather API, and I just click just now here. So what does it mean? So it means I requested the value from Open Weather API, then I could get some value from Open Weather API, then this application saved the data on the Fuji test network. Then eventually we could see this event value through the snow trace. Actually, this is very, I think, exciting, and it has a huge potential to apply this data transportation between off-chain and on-chain. Okay, actually that's it. So I hope that this video will help you to understand this application. Thank you.